Hi, this is Automotive with Adam Levine. I'll be resetting the all maintenance light on the 2020 Nissan Murano. You're going to be using this button right here. Okay, what you want to do, this one right here, I'm sorry. What you want to do, you want to scroll through, see how it says, to information, use the OK, scroll, 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 scroll. Settings, press OK, go down to maintenance with this button right here, press the OK, all in filter, all in filter. Okay, this one is not set, so we're gonna set it to 10,000 miles because of the customer's request. All right, 10,000 miles, press OK, and that's it. All light reset. Subscribe to the page. Thank you.